grandfather clock. If you have a grandfather clock, it needs to be oiled regularly. We found out the hard way.
Can you see it there?
Yeah, I got the light on. What happens is the metal starts rubbing and eventually it just stops.
And the clock guy, we paid him $200 or something like that to come out and tell us that and show us how to oil it because it just stopped. And he also said that you're supposed to not turn it off for a long time. You're supposed to let it ring and chime and do all the stuff that it's supposed to do so it doesn't stop. So we probably should turn it on.
He gave us one of these.
And listen to it.
An oiler with dust on it. Oh, it's got dust on it. For real. This bathroom. But, let's see if I can hold this while I oil it because it needs oiling. All right, the trick is to open this without destroying anything, which means I have to go in the front.
What model is this?
I don't know. It's a Ridgeway. He said the Ridgeway was either out of business or got bought up by somebody. But how old is this thing? See, it's a model 2505. I don't see a date.
We bought it in like 2007, maybe 2005. Can't remember.
Yeah, me either. Removed one of the glass pieces. And with this long, oily piece.
Do you want me to hold the camera?
Yeah, you need to hold the camera.
I don't see anything.
You don't see anything where?
Oh, there it goes. I was filming our bookshelf.
Are we filming? Are we filming me?
Mm-hmm.
You got to all the little areas.
Hands in the way.
We'll move it. Just got to put a little bit of oil in all these little areas here.
I can't see anything.
Use my other hand.
Here, let me go from the other angle.
Make sure this is working first. Yes, it's working.
Okay, hold on.
Is it up closer? Everywhere where it touches, the metal touches metal. You just put a little teeny tiny bit of oil on it. I'm gonna have to go around the other side.
Hey, I'm on the elliptical.
That's about the only time you're ever on that thing.
Alright.
You get the idea? You have to go.
Right, show us how you take the glass out.
Very careful.
On the inside? Oh.
You gotta take that little, there's a little finger there that's holding it in place. It can come over here easier.
Arms in the way.
I'm using my arm. Can't record like that. You just see there's a little bit of oil coming out. Oh, it's about to ring on. Oh, you have it turned off, don't you?
What? The recording?
No, the ringer,
yeah, I don't have it
music.
turned on. After we oil it, we should probably turn it on so that maybe it goes through it better. How much oil are you using?
Just a little teeny tiny bit comes out. Oh, it's got a whole bunch in there.
Okay. How much did that thing cost? Like 20 bucks? 15?
Just 12.
You can order them online?
Yep.
Oh, you know, I wanted to go to the clock shop today at 12 o'clock so I can hear all the times in the store.
Really?
Maybe we can do that and have lunch. Since
All
we're
about
both off
food
today.
with you, isn't it?
Yep.
I can't see nothing. I need glasses. That's basically it. Just got to keep it oiled up so it doesn't seize up on you. And I can't do it very well with you in the way with the camera. So I'll finish it without the camera. I'll get my cuckoo clock too. It's just the wrong time. I gotta fix the pendulum on it.
Owls.